All right, we are live, guys. It is a beautiful, beautiful day out here, and I was taking a country ride. Man, there's that train. Taking a country ride, you wouldn't believe what I seen. So I followed the guy. This is where I came. I talked to him for a minute. I got his permission to take pictures. So there you caught a glimpse. But guys, check this out. It's a Viper, guys. That's freaking awesome, isn't it? Man, the train's so loud. I'm sorry. This Viper's beautiful. Look at that, guys. He's getting ready to put it up today. He said the weather's getting ready to get bad, but he said to get up with him in the spring, come out, ask for him, and we can get it on the show a little bit. Maybe give it a real good go around. Look at guys, this is gorgeous. This is definitely a nice treat. Where's it at here? It's so hard to see right out here today, guys. Sorry again for that train. It's so loud, but look at this. Beautiful, guys. I'm gonna get you flipped around so my ugly mug's not in here and you guys can see this car. There it is. Check that out, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I want one of these for the channel. We definitely need one of these on the channel all the time. Look at the brakes on this, guys. Look at these brakes. Massive, massive, massive. Here's the side pipe. Everything. Look at this, guys. Beautiful car. Dancing the grill. Look, even out driving in the country. Man, I'm telling you, I bet he gets bugs in his teeth because I'd be grinning like hell the whole time. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. Way to drop 40K, yeah, I know, right? I'd do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't think twice, and I'd be happy about it. Happiest 40 grand I ever spent on anything, for real, for real. Dodge Viper Beast. What's up, Lee Howard? How are you, man? I just seen my screen here. It was in the sun. Yeah, it's one of my... Dude, I told him, that's like my dream car, man. I want one of these on the channel so bad. Even if it's an older one, I don't even care, man. I love all these cars. You know, it's too bad that they don't make them anymore. It really is sad. Heartbreaking. This thing's beautiful, guys. Look how massive these back tires are. Let's get up here, let's show you these. Huge, huge. Look at these. Look how wide that thing is, guys. And I bet it just melts them. I bet it just melts them off there. But guys, I seen this. He was out in the country, out on like County Road 7, wherever, and I seen him. You know how hard it is to catch a Viper in the trap Blazer? Man, I was on him though. I don't even know how I did it, really, honestly. And the Blazer needs the cat gutted, so it's holding back some power. It's not right. It's rattling on me. So we gotta get that fixed, guys. This is awesome. So I had to show you guys this. That's what I'm out doing today. I got a project with the Jag. Once I get back, I think. Damn it! I'm trying to walk here in this embankment. I should have just went around the pavement. But let's get up here in the Blazer for a second. I have a project with the Jag. Last night, I dropped my kids off in Warsaw, and I came back, and the right side hub, I'm pretty sure it was pretty hot. It was smoking, so I think the wheel bearing in that hub went out. Guys, honestly, I like that car. I want to get another car like that, but I wanted the 2.4 liter with the supercharger. I want the R-Type. That car is beautiful. I just don't want to fix it. It's getting ready to set for the winter. I'm not going to fix it this fall. So I honestly think I'm just going to sell it and give somebody a good deal. And they'll have a nice car. They'll be able to drive it. And in the spring, I'll do something else. We'll all do something else. But I do like that Jag. I do want to get another one like that for the show. Thank you. Thanks, Lee Howard. He says, great footage, mate. Yeah, it was real great. But yeah, there's a problem with the Jag, but I don't think I'm going to fix it. I think I just going to leave it and give somebody a good deal. Give it to them for like 3 grand, 5 grand or something. I don't know. I gotta look up the Kelly Blue Book. I want to check out more what the deal with the Jag is, so that way when I sell it to somebody, I know better what to tell them, what the problem is. But I definitely think it's the wheel bearing back there. It was just the one side, and you can feel it grab and rub a little bit. It's making a little bit of noise before. I thought maybe it might have been my fuel pump. I wasn't sure, but I don't think it's the fuel pump. I'm pretty sure it's that bearing in it. I don't know how much it costs. I don't know what all entails to fix it, so I don't know what to do about that. I think I'm just going to sell it, use the money to put into merch and get some of the stuff for the show going. Maybe pay a couple bills around the house, keep my woman happy that way, keep everything in good order. But in the spring, you know, we'll be back on, and I definitely want to get something else for the show. That Viper is really what I want to bring to the show, guys, but I think it might be a little out of reach quite yet. I'm trying to get it figured out how to monetize the show, guys, because that's the stuff I want to spend the money on. I don't want a big house. I don't want a bunch of jewelry and all that crazy stuff. And my Blazer's cool, man. Like, I could do a little more to it, but I'm good, just like this. So another toy whip to have around would be great, especially a nice one like that, guys. It'd bring a lot of attention, a lot of traction to the show, and that's kind of what we're looking for. But, you know, for the price of that, I'd have 4 or 5 cars sitting around too, you know, Chevys, you know, on big wheels, whatever. But I don't want to put everything on big wheels, guys. Not everything's big wheels. Not everything's big wheels. But anyway, that's the update. That's the Viper. I'm going to get around and we're going to go check out the Jag here soon. I have a couple things I need to do, but I think we're going to get the Jag lifted up, pull the wheel off there, and check out what's going on. But that thing's going to be up for sale, guys. I do believe. I'll give somebody a good deal on it, definitely. So they're definitely going to have to fix a wheel bearing. I don't think it'd be that bad, honestly. I've been in there, checked it all out. Doesn't seem like it's bad like that. It's a pretty easy car to work on. Everybody said, oh, it's a Jag, that'd be terrible. It's really not. It's not that bad. It's like any other car, guys. Nuts and bolts, man. For real, that's... He says, dream big, mate, you can do it. Hell yeah, thanks, Lee. I appreciate the motivation, man. Everybody behind me, for real. Like, when it comes to this show and doing stuff, Lee, my whole community and everybody, my family, everybody is behind me pushing. And, you know, they see that I want to do it and I'm working hard to get it done. And I'm in the right direction, doing the right things. And I get a lot of love and support from everywhere I go. So I'm just going to keep doing it, man. As long as that's there, there's no reason to stop. The show is reaching about 45,000 people in 28 days, last 28 days. That's where that's at. Engagements are about 14,000 a month, and we're getting about 100 new followers and likes a week. So that's been the pace for about the last month. You know, like I said, guys, last few days I took this first week off to organize. I generally do. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the first week of the month, generally, you don't really hear a lot or see a lot for me because I'm doing a lot of the background stuff because I pretty much handle it all, guys. So I'm doing that kind of stuff, and I was organizing all the videos. Guys, I have over like 700 gigabytes of video saved to edit, to go through. So there's so much. And I'm getting all that stuff around because I want to start bringing it out. And because these live clips at end, man, when it's cold, you're not gonna catch me outside. Not really. I mean, maybe a little bit here and there. We might do a light show or something, but I'm not gonna be outside working and doing nothing, man. Hanging out, none of that. If I pull up, I'm staying in here with the heat on. I'll talk to you through the window. But I don't know. I just want to keep pushing, guys. There's so much. But this last week, I've been checking out videos, getting everything around. Man, they're coming. It was awesome. I have fans dedication video I'm working on. I've showed it off a little bit. Everybody says it's dope so far, but it does need some new work. It's not ready to be in the public eye yet, but it's getting there, and I really think everybody's gonna love and appreciate that. That'll be an awesome video to see. We got cruising in Kendallville. Shoot, there's just so much. I can make a whole list. Everything we did to the Blazer, all the stuff to the Jag. We got Wookie's box, the Tahoe, we got Justin's Stang, there's the Superman SS, there's the Saline. I mean, the list, there's a whole list of videos to come, guys. Brent Saline, that trip was one of my favorites. That was a good trip. We had a top down the Mustang. It was a beautiful day. He come by, perfect time, man. It just, in the evening, it was nice. Like, it was just that was spot on, man. It really was. And I'm ready to show you guys that video, but we got to get to it. I'm excited for all of it. But anyway, guys, I'm about done jibbing and jabbing. That Viper was the rodeo. That's what we want. That was a great opportunity. Thanks to Adam. That's all I can say. So if Adam, you come here, you check out your car, you check out this video, thank you, man. This was a delight, and we all appreciate it. Thanks from everybody here at Trap My Ride, Adam. Thank you a lot. Hopefully we can get back with him in the spring. I'm not going to forget this. It's too bad he's putting it up, but it's still an awesome opportunity to get to see what we did. That's awesome. So maybe we can get with him in the spring, and we have something on. You know, guys, I'm out here in my Nike sliders, and I'll be honest, I feel kind of dumb. I wish I had my shoes on. Note to self, when you leave the house, take your shoes and your stapler, always. Man, that car is beautiful. I'm gonna sit here and look at it all day. I could just lay down and take a nap next to it. But anyway, guys, we are getting out of here. I'm getting back to the pad. I'm gonna get some shoes on, gonna do some paperwork online, and then we're gonna get out and get to the Jag. We're gonna get it lifted up, show you guys what's going on. But if you guys are interested in that thing, you know how to get a hold of me. If you know somebody who is, it's a good car, it runs good, it's strong. I just don't want to mess with it. I know what I have in my mind of what I want for the show. That's nice, but it's not quite right. It's not quite what I want. So we're just gonna use it as an opportunity rather than let it sit to let somebody have a nice car. I think so. We'll give them a good deal on it. But anyway, guys, that's it. I'm driving. I gotta get off this phone. Until next time, make sure if you're here just watching the video, hit that like, follow, notification bell, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. And don't forget, even in a pandemic, you gotta keep on trapping. We'll see you in the next clip, guys. Thanks for all the love. Lee Howard, your place is coming, brother.